Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.